What's up, guys? Miguel here from Torrance Tech. I got something pretty cool for you guys. I'm giving away a brand new factory sealed SeekBox S3 Pro valued at $299. So SeekBox sent me 2 units, one for review, which you can check out the video on my channel, and the second one they told me I could do whatever I want, so we're doing a giveaway for it. So here's how to enter, and here are the rules. Rule 1, this giveaway is open only to US residents only. Sorry, I'm not shipping international. And rule 2, leave this exact comment in this video below. SeekBox me up. Couldn't think of anything better. So now you got to leave it in the comment on this video, specifically this video. Don't go to the other video, this video specifically. And that's your official giveaway entry. Entries close on July 24th, 2026, and I'll randomly select one winner shortly after that. Now, 1 entry per person, multiple comments won't increase your chances of winning, so don't go crazy. Now, some legal disclaimers that I have to read. This giveaway is free to enter. No purchase is necessary. YouTube is not sponsoring or administrating this giveaway and is not responsible for it in any way. SeekBox did provide the prize, but I am running the giveaway. And one last thing, which is very important, I will never ask you for money. I will not ask you for shipping fees, gift cards, cryptocurrency, or payment of any kind for this giveaway. If anyone contacts you pretending to be me and asks you for a payment, it is a scam. Ignore it or report the account. And that's it. I'm excited. Good luck, and I'll announce the winners after the giveaway closes. Good luck to you guys.